Hello, guys. This is Kingsley, Space IQ. So today we're going to be having a discussion regarding this particular error when trying to load the remote desktop application on your Windows computer, right? So if you often get this error, you have nothing to bother about. Okay, so we are going to deep dive into this. It's not going to take much time, but we're going to deep dive into this and then get this issue resolved. Okay, so the error says the remote desktop connection application is no longer installed, right? And some features of the remote desktop app connections control panel may not work as expected. Okay, so not an issue. So let's see what's and how we can resolve this issue. Okay, so I would just exit from here, and then we'll have to go to the Microsoft sites. Okay, so you go to learn.microsoft.com, and then you see uninstall and install the built-in remote desktop connection. Okay, so you get to the part where it says reinstall the remote desktop connection, and then you go to Windows 64 bits. So it dependent on the operating system or the bits of your system, that's going to determine which of the setup you're going to install. Okay, so for my computer, I'm going to go with the Windows 64 bits. So I'll just click on it, and then it's going to download at the top right, and then I'll click on open. So it's going to be running as administrator, and I'll click on yes, and then it's currently installing, and yes, it is now successfully installed. Okay, I'll just click on OK, and then I will search for remotes. Okay, RDP, and then I'll click on it, and then there it is. It's now successfully installed. I hope this video has been very informative and helpful to you. Please, I'd like you to drop your comments. If you have other videos you'd like me to release, I will definitely do that. Okay, thank you guys, and then see you again in the next session. Bye bye.